Hello, welcome to English for Everyone. Today we're going to learn how to use and pronounce this word correctly. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the pronunciation. The word is attitude. First, we have double T between vowels. The rule says in American pronunciation, we should pronounce this with a D sound, a fast D sound. Attitude. Now, our second T is between vowels also. But this one we don't pronounce with a D sound. We don't say attitude. It's attitude. That's right. The second T is pronounced with a true T sound. Tude. Attitude. Why don't we pronounce it with a D sound? Because the second T is before a stressed syllable. That's right. If the T is between vowels but is before a stressed syllable, we pronounce it like a real T. Attitude. The stress is on the first and third syllable. Attitude. Attitude. So the stress is on the syllable tude. So the T is pronounced like a real T. But the double T is before an unstressed syllable. Atta. Before an unstressed syllable, the T is between vowels, so we pronounce it like a d, a fast D, like water bottle. Attitude. Let's talk about how to use this word correctly. If I look at this glass of water and say it's half full, I have a positive attitude. But if I look at the same glass and say it's half empty, I have a negative attitude. So, attitude is countable. I say a positive attitude. So, you can say a good attitude or a bad attitude. Example, he's a negative person. He has a bad attitude. He looks at everything and thinks it's bad. He has a negative attitude. Or I can say he has a positive attitude. He looks at life in a positive way. He has a positive attitude. He has a good attitude. But what if I say he has an attitude? If I say he has an attitude, that means it's bad. That's right, you don't have to say bad. You can say he has an attitude, and that means he has a bad attitude. Let's practice. Does he have an attitude? That's right, he has an attitude. You can also use attitude with give. If somebody is giving you a negative attitude, it is countable and non-countable. That's right, I can say he's giving me an attitude. Or I can say he's giving me attitude. You don't have to use but both ways are correct. Let's practice. Is he giving her an attitude? That's right, he's giving her an attitude. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe to our channel. And if you want to become a member, click the join button. And we'll see you next time.